Want to download GTA Vice City on PC? Then you're on the right video. So let's get started. First thing first, head over to any of the web browser, and in the search bar you need to search for Rockstar. Head over to Rockstar Games website. Once you're inside the website, make sure you are logged in into your specific account. Once logged in the search bar you need to search for Grand Theft Auto. You can simply paste this in the search bar. Different games will be available to you. Select the one that you want to download. Once selected, you will see the option where it says pre-order now. Click on pre-order, as this game has not been released yet. Once selected, once again click on pre-order now at the bottom of the page. After that, it will lead you to the payment section. Simply follow the on-screen process and then do your pre-order. Once the game has been booked, you will be good to go. So that's the end of the video. If this video really helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.